This Crossbow Prod is a maple core with clear glass back and belly. I've machined up a nice, well, I hope it's a nice mounting arrangement for it, which I'll show when I take it off there. I think it's too heavy at the moment, but I've allowed plenty of width, so I can take some of the width off the limbs to bring the draw weight down. It's always harder to take draw weight up than to bring it down. I'm thinking maybe I've faded a bit thick a bit early there, but it's all experimental, so it's hard to know. It's too strong to brace, but I just want to have a little look, see how it's bending. I suspect it's bending too much here and not enough here, in which case I'll make the limbs straighter rather than more tapered, because they're tapered in thickness, so they don't necessarily need taper in width. At the moment it's got some width taper as well as the thickness taper. Anyhow, have a quick look. See, that'd almost get it braced. It's just a bit scary. It does look a bit stiff at the roots. And there's 100. Yeah. Looks to be a lot of movement sort of here, and obviously nothing here where it's thick, so perhaps I could even thin it substantially there and end up with a weird sort of bulbous shape where it's wider here than there. But I'll review that and have a think. What I don't want to do is take off too much weight now so I can brace it and then find it's weaker than I wanted. But the chances of getting it right first time are virtually zero. That's another look at the mounting. That's just a reinforcing plate I've got on there at the minute because it's not correctly mounted on the bow. So it's a bit like a modern target bow limb fitting. It's really bolted at one point there, and it's just sort of pivoting. Well, there's rubber under there, but this just restrains it, and this edge is taking the load. But you can see it's quite thick. But there, you see, there's not a lot of taper, so I could bring it in much more parallel, and then, you know, scoop it away here perhaps. We'll have a think.